Hey guys, it's Tracy. Welcome back. I went to Hobby Lobby and Cracker Barrel over the weekend and I shared some of the fun things that I got on my Facebook page on Sunday afternoon. Now, I would like to show you here in this video what catches my eye at Hobby Lobby and the fun things that I took pictures of for you at the Cracker Barrel. First up is Hobby Lobby, and I thought it would be fun to give you an insight, take you along with me to show you what catches my eye when I go to the stores. Now, almost always, I go to the seasonal decor first because they have the cutest seasonal decor at Hobby Lobby, and if it is the right time, they will always have it on sale. But this is the 4th of July, so patriotic season is upon us, and it's not on sale yet, but it will be very soon. Current season is the outgoing season, so they had all of their Easter stuff 90% off, so you can really get some good bargains on the outgoing season. So I got these cotton bowl fillers for 59 cents. So next, I like to look at their home decor. Farmhouse is really in right now. Hobby Lobby is the queen for having all of things farmhouse. So if you like to decorate your farmhouse or your home in the farmhouse style, Hobby Lobby is your store. These tobacco baskets are really popular right now. They're popping up in the wreath making world, so Hobby Lobby has you covered for that. And I absolutely love these little galvanized milk cans, just so cute. This home sign is just, I like it. It's just very simple, and it just, you know, the cotton is very popular right now as well, and Hobby Lobby has you covered when it comes to the cotton. I absolutely love this cross. I had to move some of those signs out of the way so that I could get a good picture, but love the simplicity of that. This Home Sweet Home, I almost got it, but I was trying to refrain from getting more things. The Hobby Lobby has some really cute signs for the bee wreaths that we like to do. So next in my Cracker Barrel video, I will show you some of the things that I got. I picked up this wire basket because I have a DIY coming up for that. And this sign just made my heart smile. A girl without freckles is like a night without stars. This section right here is so fun to me. I just love the colors, the combination of the colors, and it's got little campers and just fun red and turquoise decor. The little birds I did pick up for an upcoming DIY, and I was on the lookout for things that I could find with flamingos. If you watched my video from last week, it was just fun to, flamingos are the in thing for summer. Cactus are in for this season, and so showing you here that Hobby Lobby has some fun decor for cactus lovers. These little gnomes just made my heart smile. They're just so cute, little Elvis gnomes. Who would have thunk it? And the bird houses, I just love them. They just have all different kind of bird houses. If you don't like one, look next to it because they have a different style. This one caught my eye. I like the little bee on it and the little flowers. This right here is just fun decor that they have. They have a whole section for like clouds and sunshine and shine. And my day job, our employee recognition committee, is called Shine. Supporting, honoring, impressive, notable employees. So I should have picked it up for us to have, but you know, that wasn't in my budget. I needed to buy some ribbon. So anyway, fun little section over there at Hobby Lobby. Now, the flamingos, you know, I could not walk by this section without taking a picture and show you, for real, guys, flamingos are everywhere. And the more I think about it, the more I see them. The garden stuff and the door hangers are really cute over at Hobby Lobby. And I did pick up this camper. It is thin metal. I showed you that in my Facebook live on Sunday afternoon. I'll link to that here in this video. And I just took a picture of this because I like the font, and the sign says mudroom instead of laundry room. So we always call it laundry room. And then I wanted to share that they still have these welcome signs. I did a daisy wreath last season, and they still have the little signs. And then this mason jar with a little welcome banner is just so, you know, I just love all the little combination of colors. Just enough grace for today. Oh my gosh, just what a blessing. These hello and home signs were humongous, so that is why I took a picture of those. Like huge, like probably 3 or more feet. They have a spiritual or inspirational section over at Hobby Lobby, so I always like to look at that because it just really makes me, you know, if I'm having a bad day, it just makes me feel better. This is a little piggy bank. It says, be the change you want to see in the world. It's a piggy bank. So creative and just really heartwarming when you see little things like this. I'm like, oh my gosh, I love that little saying. And then this cross, I did take a picture of it because it inspired me. It's just so simple. It's just a wooden cross with a little metal flower, and it has some jute wrapped around it. Just great inspiration. Every Hobby Lobby has a clearance section. It's usually in the back of the store. And so I always check out the clearance section because you can find really cool things. Sometimes they're marked down a couple of times. And so depending on what you're looking for, you can get things at a real bargain. Now, I didn't find anything that I couldn't live without on this shopping trip, but I am sharing this with you for those of my friends that don't have a Hobby Lobby, so you can kind of see what is offered in the clearance section over at Hobby Lobby. This little mason jar, just birdhouse, was just so cute. Here I am in my happy place. Oh, I found some really cool ribbon. Now, when I shared my ribbon haul, I had some comments, and you know, thank you so much for the suggestions. People were telling me about Craft Outlet and telling me about the wreath shop. And yes, I do shop at Craft Outlet, but they do not have the ribbon that I want. So when Hobby Lobby has their ribbon on sale, I get some because Hobby Lobby has a ribbon that I can't get at Craft Outlet, and vice versa. So I shop at different areas for my ribbon. But I thank y'all all so much for all of the suggestions because I am a ribbon junkie. The greenery section over at Hobby Lobby is a section that I like to visit, especially when they have them 50% off. They did not on this particular shopping trip, so I didn't pick any up, but I wanted to share with you the different colors and the textures that they have and they offer over at Hobby Lobby. And then they already have just already made wreaths where you can pick those up and slap them on your door, or add those, use those as a basis in order to create your own masterpiece. I pick up my Spanish moss and my excelsior from Hobby Lobby, so I just wanted to share with you what it looks like. And then Hobby Lobby is my favorite place to pick up raffia. I used to use this a long time ago when I was doing all of the country stuff, but I wanted to share with you my favorite place to get raffia. And then they have the best section for grapevine wreaths. Next up is the Cracker Barrel Old Country Store. We had eaten dinner there, and then we visited the Old Country Store, which is in the front of the restaurant. And the Cracker Barrel has some really cool things if you're looking for. They have different gifts. They have some retro different kind of gifts that really take you back to your childhood. So they had a 1950s, 60s, 70s, and 80s toy section. So that's what I like about the Cracker Barrel, is because you can find unique gift items and different things to add to your collection that you do not see at other stores. This little shovel seat is just so stinking cute, isn't it? Just love this little thing. And then I shared this greenery wreath. I did get this and I shared it on my live on Sunday. So make sure and check out that video if you'd like to see close-ups to some of these little things. I did pick up a couple of these beehive signs. Home is where your honey is. And then they had some other bee decorations. So I'm just kind of sharing that with you here. They offer a wide variety of candy that really kind of takes me back to when I was a child, and it got some fun things when I went to the store with my dad. And I saved the best for last. I'll wrap this video up sharing you the flamingo section. It is the little baby section over at the Cracker Barrel. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this type of video, shop with me, sharing what catches my eye when I go into the store, please leave me a comment and leave me a thumbs up. I greatly appreciate it. Subscribe if you're new here. I would love to have you. Click that little bell notification so that you will be notified when I upload a new video. We will talk to you all soon, and God bless.